Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I am checking out this 3-in-1 wireless charger stand. It's for Apple Watch, phone, and the earbuds. USB port, all the stuff, instructions right here on top. Okay, so there's that. It's nice and sleek looking stand here. So you can put your AirPods right here, put the watch right on there to charge. If you're an Apple guy, have all that stuff. I'm pretty sure it'll charge the other Samsung as well. In fact, I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so it has this charger, and then it recommends you use this charger. And a pretty long cord here, so I'm just going to plug it in. Plenty of room there, and then this plugs in right here into the back, just like that. Okay, so I have an iPhone here. I'll set that on there, and it starts charging right there. There's our little lightning bolt. I can throw this. Let's see if I get a light indicator there. Yep, there's a little light on the front. I know you guys can't see that. I'm sorry about that, but a little light shows up on there as indicating that it is charging as well. I don't have a watch to throw on there, unfortunately. I wish I did, but I don't. I have my Samsung thing here as well, though, so let's see if that charges that also. So I can throw this on there, and there we are. It is charging also, so pretty handy. I like that it's like you can put this on a desk or something, and it has little rubber pads here on the bottom, so it's not going to slip around. And it has a nice little rubber pad here also, so your phone's just not going to slip and fall off of there. It's really sleek and kind of futuristic looking. It's a well designed, so your thing is not going to interfere with each other. You can put those here, hang the watch there. And yeah, you just kind of minimalistic. If you just sat this on your nightstand or something like that, it's going to be able to charge all your things nicely and not take up like the minimal amount of space. So pretty cool design here. Nice little charger. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you enjoy the review. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.